how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp web. So if you want to see the deleted messages on WhatsApp web, then what you need to do is open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and then search for WA Web Plus for WhatsApp, and then go for the first search, which is WA Web Plus. And here you need to go for add to Chrome and then add the extension. Once you've added the extension, now you need to open up your WhatsApp web. Once you've opened, go for the first search, and you need to log into your WhatsApp web on your WhatsApp. And now you need to log into your WhatsApp. Now once you've logged into your WhatsApp, you need to go for the extensions, and then you can simply choose the extension. And once you've chosen the extension, now you need to go for restore deleted messages. Once you've chosen restore deleted messages, now you can simply go to the chat which has the deleted message and click on the chat. So for example, here you have the chat, and now you can simply go for the delete, which is on the upper right, and once you click on that, here it says that deleted messages restored. So your messages will be restored. That's it. That's how you can restore your deleted messages in WhatsApp web. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.